Jiangsu Jiangteng Environmental Protection Engineering Technology Company Limited is located in Yangzhou, covering an area of 18,000 square meters, with more than 120 employees, of which 15% are technical research and development personnel. Jiangteng is a comprehensive enterprise integrating production and installation, focusing on environmental protection and conveying industry series products, weighing and metering system, conveying line production line arrangement, dust environmental control turnkey, and other turnkey projects. Widely used in iron and steel, electric power, cement building materials, chemical industry, and other industries. We can provide you with customized solutions and full chain services, with 16 years of experience to serve many customers around the world. Intelligent automation and precise control, significant cost reduction and efficiency.